Let's take a look at how we can install temporary fence on an incline. Because of the incline, when you place two panels at the fence base, sometimes they won't be aligned with each other at the top. In these cases, as you can see, they can still be secured with the same clamp. When the panels are too far apart at the top, securing the clamp won't be possible. In these scenarios, one of the panels can be taken out from the base and installed over the foot to get both the panels aligned at the top. They can then be secured with the clamp just like the other panels. Because these panels don't have the added strength of the base connection, ensure you join them together with a second clamp at the center of the panel to keep the joints safe and secure.